going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at you. Today we're going to be working on the dually. Now, as you guys know from last video that we found some water in the oil, and that's definitely not good. However, today we're going to be beginning the tear apart project, basically. So we're going to be taking out all the front components. That way it's a whole lot easier to remove the engine and then to replace the engine. I don't want to get anything banged up. As you guys know, we have a Mishimoto radiator, we have a big old intercooler in there, and don't want to get any of that messed up or banged up. She is a decent looking truck, at least in my eyes. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. If this is your first time visiting our channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the little bell so that way you're notified whenever a new video comes out from us. Yeah, so let's jump into it. All right, guys, so I got my change of clothes, and now it's time to start taking the old girl apart. Set myself on here. Hopefully I don't break it. I tend to do that. That was easy. Instead of grills, they could be nice, but I don't know. Lately, put the old stock one on. That's the good. Where we go here? Alrighty. Take these covers out. Set them down here. Way I don't get lost. Okay. And I'm going to pull the batteries out. I already have the terminals, the negative anyway, disconnected. And the other ones are loosely on. I'll get these batteries out. We'll do the same with this one. Well. Nope, gonna have to go without the extension. I like working with a small extension in many areas. Just avoids my knuckles getting all chewed up. Guys, I have a feeling this engine build, we got it already, back to Ugly Betty. I think we gonna have some fun. In the shed. That's the plan. Well, I'm not gonna make you guys suffer through all of this, so I'm gonna set you up with a little bit of time lapse. So we're back in the house. It started raining, had to rush with all the cameras, all the tools and everything back into the house. Weren't able to finish the job. However, we did get a lot done, a lot accomplished. I'm happy about that. We went ahead and removed the front, basically everything except for the radiator support. I will be jumping into that pretty soon here. That way we can start the process of removing the engine and reinstalling the one from Ugly Betty. It was nighttime already because we had a late start. But yeah, I think we removed a lot of the stuff that is very key to getting it done. And you know, it's one step closer regardless to getting the engine back in there, or the engine swap done. Nightfall, rain, cut short, go inside to the house, and get back to saying goodbye to you guys. However, I don't want to say goodbye without first saying thank you. Thank you for always being there for us. Thank you for watching our videos. This really means a lot to us. This is what keeps the channel going. Your replies, your comments, your likes, your shares, specifically the subscriptions. We really do appreciate you subscribers. Also, the little bell button down there, it helps us inform you every time that a new video is posted. You guys get a little notification. That way you know that our videos is up. However, I do want to motivate you guys to stay tuned because there's a lot more coming up. Little by little, we're going to be getting some more and more videos out to you. I'm trying to keep them as consistent as possible. I really do. I want to be able to do them in and out every day. But yeah, reminder, you guys, February 23rd, 24th, and 25th, Diesels in the Swamp. I think it's going to be epic. A big special hello to the guys over at the OAG. Neil, what's up, buddy? Thank you for what you do, bud. A lot of the tools that we used today were actually from the OAG, so you guys might want to check out their page. Also, a big shout out to O&J Performance, always keeping it real with us. Yeah, big shout out to everybody who in some way, shape, or form has supported the channel. So yeah, guys, I want to remind you once again, Diesel's in the Swamp, the 23rd, 24th, and 25th of February, which is pretty close. It's going to be a great time over there at the event. It's going to be held in Astatula, Florida, and it's going to be epic. I mean, they're going to have dyno, they're going to have mud drags, they're going to have sand drags, they're going to have some pooling, they're going to have a big mud pit for you guys to jump in there. They're going to have a little bit of everything. They're even going to have a live concert. Can you believe all that stuff in one little place? That's right, it's going to be epic. So don't miss out. Make sure you guys show up. It's going to be an amazing time. Stop by, say hello. Hopefully we could get some interviews done and bring some people into the channel, so that way you guys can meet them as well. And yeah, I guess that's it for today. It was a short, condensed video, but hey, I made sure I put something out there for you guys. So keep it real. You know how I always say, let the coal roll.